Welcome to your ATL Sprinter rental. Before your trip begins, let's walk through how to operate your vehicle and get the most out of your luxury experience. We'll cover everything from power and Wi-Fi setup to entertainment, climate control, and storage. First, let's locate the gas tank. Once you open the door, it is located on the driver's side. Our Sprinters take diesel and diesel only. In case of a situation where DEF is needed, it is located under the hood in its designated labeled area. Be sure to only add DEF in this location. Step 1, always turn on the main power. Find the main power switch located under the dash at the front of the van. This powers your TV's outlets, lights, HVAC, and entertainment system. If the system seems off, check here first to indicate a green flashing light. To connect to the internet, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and select the network SprinterNet. Connected, you'll have high-speed access for streaming, work, or entertainment across all your devices. Now, let's proceed to the lounge amenities. Each TV can operate independently or mirror the same content. Use the TV remote to power on, then select your desired input. HDMI 1 for Apple TV or Fire Stick, HDMI 2 for other connected devices. If the TV doesn't display video, check that the source device is powered and connected. There are multiple ways to play sound through the speakers. TV audio, select the optical input on the amplifier or sound receiver. This ensures clear surround style sound. Some models may also include an analog input for auxiliary devices. The built-in cooler keeps your beverages perfectly chilled. It's self-draining, meaning there's no need to empty water after use. It drains automatically through the system. For electric refrigerators, simply power them on via the control switch or digital display near the unit. The main audio system can control music, TV sound, or Bluetooth streaming. Adjust volume from the amplifier, remote, or your device. Be sure to select the correct source to match your input. Some models include electric fold-away tables and other powered amenities. To operate, press and hold the button until the table fully extends or retracts. Please do not force movement. Always let the motor complete the action. Our seats are designed for comfort on long rides. For elderly passengers or anyone needing extra space, we recommend choosing our wider captain seats for added comfort and easier mobility. Many models include under-seat storage. Simply lift the seat base to access it. To operate lighting, use the touch control panel or switches near the passenger area. You can adjust brightness, color, and even activate starlight or ambient modes. Remember, all lighting operates off the main power, so ensure that that's on first. For climate control, use the HVAC system located near the rear panel. Adjust the fan speed, temperature, and mode, cooler, heat, to your comfort. Some models include separate front and rear climate zones. Make sure both are set to your preference. Each window features custom blinds for privacy and sun protection. To lower manual blinds, gently pull down until they lock in place. The same goes for retracting the blinds. For powered blinds, use the nearby switch to raise or lower with ease. Your Sprinter features spacious rear storage. This section is designed to maximize space while keeping everything secure and easily accessible. Before your trip, familiarize yourself with the location of each component. If you ever need support, contact ATL Sprinters via phone, text, or email. Thank you for choosing ATL Sprinters, where luxury and comfort meet the road. Enjoy your trip and travel in style.